Many of our projects involve the management and scheduling of jobs, which sometimes means scheduling individual technicians, sometimes it means scheduling of crews. And while Sage CRM does have a calendaring feature, the default functionality doesn't make it very easy to see a collective calendar for those technicians or crews. At my CRM Manager, we've leveraged Ken Schmidt and his S5-Scheduler to provide a more practical solution for our accounts that manage service jobs. In the example up on my screen, you'll see different color coding, firstly by crews or technicians, and then secondly by the type of job that's going on. Keep in mind that when we set this up, we set it up so that it makes sense for you. So that doesn't have to be this way, but could be filtering by any which way you need to. I can hover over an individual job. Of course, I can flip through the different months. I can filter by technician or crew and even by type of job. So show me the jobs for crew number 3 plus the ones that are repairs in the month of November. Clear. This is a very flexible solution. You tell us how you want it to work, and we can install this on top of an existing installation of Sage CRM.